So it's about to hit 11 a.m. right now. I woke up at 8:30 a.m. after praying my fajr and didn't pray fajr today. So yeah, that's enough for me today. But prayed my fajr namaz, and after that I went back to sleep and woke up at 8:30 a.m. Uh, Started my workout at around like 9:15. Finished it at like 10:30. Took my bath, and now I'll just go downstairs do my breakfast, and then I'll get started on my work. Uh, Now my non-negotiables are again the same as yesterday. The cold outreach, the cold emails, and the follow-ups. Uh, Except that I need to follow up to those people as well who were interested in getting the website and ads as well today. So yeah, I need to do that as well today. And except that. I need to watch my inbox insider modules today, which will like obviously help me learn about more about email marketing. Obviously, I will not be doing that on my own. I will be hiring someone else to do that from agency. But still, it's a good thing that you know how our service is being delivered instead of being black-minded whenever you're talking with a client on a call. So yeah, I need to do that as well, and yeah, I need to upload the YouTube video that I made yesterday, and except that I need to upload another reel on Instagram today as well. So those are the non-negotiables for today as well. And I will try to sleep today at 10 p.m. today. And there is a family relative that also coming from back from the United States to Pakistan today. So I might go with my mom to meet them today. So I don't know, like they're very close to me. She's my mom's big sister, so you know, like she's very close to us. So we might be going there to meet her today. So yeah, let's see. Those just on night right now downstairs. I will just go make my breakfast, and like half of my breakfast is ready. My mom before going to school, school, like on her job, she's a teacher. I told you before. Uh, a very wonderful woman. She made my chicken before going to the school. So I just need to go downstairs and make my eggs, and then I'll eat my breakfast, and I'll get straight back to work. So I'll see you after that. It's like around 11:33 p.m. right now. My phone is also like at 1% right now because I tried to import a video 2 times from Instagram Shorts because I didn't know that we were supposed to click on that download button in order to save the video after exporting it. So yeah, just came across a new feature today and did almost everything for today. Did my cold DMs on Instagram, uh, uploaded my videos. Just didn't watch the inbox insider module and the cold emails and the follow-ups for today because obviously just an excuse, but I usually do that after paying my Maghrib namaz. And today, like as I told, like my mother's big sister was coming from the USA, and we didn't went to meet her, but they came to at our house, at our house, because we had dinner set up for them. And so yeah, I just spent some time talking with them, with the family. So like it's an excuse, but yeah, I did all of them, most of the important for the today. Tomorrow I will start my day way earlier as compared to today. If I was thinking to myself, if I start my day at let's say that 7 a.m. I will be able to do my all of the outreach for the follows and the module watching way earlier as compared to what I do on everyday basis. So yeah, something new that I will try. Something not something new. I already know. Like if I start my day earlier, I will be able to complete things way quicker. So and I think tomorrow we have to go again at their house to meet them, for some reason. So yeah, we'll be going to there again tomorrow. So I need to complete all of my important work before meeting them. And except that everything is going perfectly fine. I will do the follow-ups tomorrow because I need to sleep right now. I'm super sleepy and I need to wake up early in the morning tomorrow. I will do my workouts and I need to start playing football. I like I used to be a lot of football. I in the beginning wanted to become a pro footballer, but then I went to the business side and I just decided to go all in instead of that. So yeah, I'm just thinking to myself that one day will come a one day on which I will not be able to kick the ball again, either from the responsibilities perspective or from time perspective or the health perspective or interest perspective. So just need to enjoy it as much as I can. So I just need to start playing football again. Except that everything went well and yeah, everything is going fine. I need to follow ups again tomorrow. I need to change my phone as well. I'm just waiting to get a new client so that I can change my phone, and that will obviously allow me to upgrade my content quality and editing speed, stuff like that. And then after that, I will upgrade my laptop as well, which will obviously affect my, it will increase my work ethic as well. So yeah, I don't have anything much to say today because it's like 11:38, 8 p.m. Super sleepy right now. I need to sleep and wake up tomorrow in the morning. So I'll talk with you guys again. I will talk with you guys again tomorrow in detail early in the morning tomorrow. So let's see you tomorrow. Office.